All sports officers that are here from the UKZN and the administrators, the support staff, players, coaches, I'm delighted to be here today to witness the selection of the final 23 players who will be representing KwaZulu-Natal. But it's an understatement, girls, that will be representing KwaZulu-Natal. We are the only institution out of all universities that has qualified to play in that Division A of the women's rugby in USA Varsity Cup. Can you give yourselves a good round of applause?
To the players, there's only one word that comes to me, in terms of my limited vocabulary. That word is discipline. I think we need to really have discipline, because once we have discipline, we do have a cocktail of beautiful things that need to happen. And one of those things is to protect the brand image of the university, to protect your own brand as a person.
My name is Flash Malinga. I am the head coach of UKZN Ladies Team 2026. This is the Varsity Cup team. The team is made out of mixed set of players. We've got well-experienced players. We've had probably about 4 to 5 weeks preparations leading up to this competition. It's been going very well. We did have some ups and downs, but more ups than downs. And I think our mindset, we're really ready. What we'll be showcasing going forward is actually some running rugby, some kicking game, and some hectic defense. So if you know the word rugby, that's what we're going to bring. This is a very good team, and I think we'll be showcasing some brilliant performance.
#LoveMyUKZN.